To add subtitles to a video, you first need to make sure that the video you want to use is available to you as a file, because it's not possible to add subtitles to a video that's on a web page, for example. So make sure that the file you want to use is loaded into the student or the tutor player, and then you'll see the window appear at the bottom where the video will play. There are several different ways to add subtitles, and the one I'm going to show you now is probably the simplest. So it might be that you already know which subtitles you want to add, or you might want to play the video clip through first to decide what to say or to make some notes maybe. But once you're ready to add the text, you'll need to click on the display modes button here, which is this white one. And then when you've done that, you select add subtitles. And this opens another window, so we start in the first box and add the first line of subtitling. So I'm going to add in here, this video was made in Sicily, which it was, and then I'll hit the enter key, which will give me a second line. And now I can add in a few more lines of text, as many as I need to. So I'll just add a couple in here. And a third one. Okay, so this is just for an example. You could do it in any language, depending on the content of your video. So now I have 3 lines of text, and now it's time to synchronize each of those lines with the video so that the lines will appear at the point that they make sense in the video. So the easiest way to do this is to first of all make sure that your cursor is in the first line of text, and you can see there's a pink line all the way across it there. And now I'm going to play my video. And as I start to play the video, when I want the first line to appear, I'll click Set Subtitle. And then when I want my second line to appear, I'll click again. And when I want my third line to appear, there we go, that's the third one. Now you'll see that the start time of each line has become the end time of the previous line. So if you want to have a gap between each line, you can actually just go in then and edit so that you'll create a small gap on the screen where there's no text visible. And you can do that all the way through if you want, or just on certain sentences. And then you probably want to add in an end time. But that's the only thing you really need to do with the timings. The Set Subtitle button does all of the hard work for you. So when you've finished with that, you can click Apply. By applying that, it's added the subtitles to the video. Now when I play the video, we'll see that when we get to 8 seconds, that the first line of text will appear in the bottom of the video where you would expect to see them. And the next one will appear after that. So you get the idea. So when you're happy with that, you can go back and adjust the timings if it's not quite right, but usually you'll be fairly near the mark. When you want to save the file, you will need to save it here using File, Save As. You'll need to save it as a SanakoUK file because you've made alterations to the original video clip. And that's how you add subtitles to a video.